So this is the LSENLTY 4-in-1, basically plug air detector. So you plug it in, we have multiple across around our house. We were just adding another one in the basement. So it will detect gas and carbon monoxide. It's got high precision on the levels. It's got an LCD screen so you can follow everything. There is an alarm on it. I am not going to put carbon dioxide and gas in the house to have it go off, but you basically can lock this right here. So this piece comes off and then you have right here this button to pop off. So it does come with a cover. So let me just, I'm gonna have to go down to an actual socket, but this pops off. So then you can put this back on to lock it. So there's going to be no power here because we're not connected to socket, but it does pass all FCC regulations. So a couple other things. It's going to be plus minus 5 ppm, so parts per million. It will do a temperature range anywhere from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity range of 5% up to 95%. So I think this is one of those things that's rather inexpensive. It comes in a 1-pack, a 2-pack. Absolutely necessary in your house. I think most fire alarms have those now, right? They have carbon monoxide detectors in them. It doesn't have gas, it doesn't have humidity, it doesn't have temperature with that. So this is also something that's lower to the ground. So by the time things get up to the ceiling, I know hot air rises and stuff like that. But so we have a few of these throughout the house. And they're, you know, they'll match kind of wherever. I think they have black ones too. Let me just double check before I tell you that. Yeah. So they do have a black one and a white one. And then you've got your, you know, power buttons here where you can change the light and the alarm and the sound, stuff like that. So I'm actually just going to flip this around and plug this into the wall so you can see it when it's on.
Okay, so here we have it on. You can see that we can adjust the dimness of that, the alarm. We can test it right there. You saw that. So it's going through. You can see that the gas is right there. You can see our humidity. You can see our temperature. So we've got the 4-in-1, right? So this is CO2, gas, our temperature, and then our humidity. We're in the basement and it's still detected. I just plugged it in. So it takes a few minutes to get all of the settings right. It's gathering all the information. We have one on the bottom floor, 2 in the middle floor. So we have 1 in our kitchen and then 2 upstairs. And then this one's actually going to go down by kind of like our water heater, our furnace, and down in that area, we have a freezer down there. So you could use them kind of wherever you want in your house. You heard the alarm, it's loud enough that once it's beeping, it's like, hey, you know, you need to check the alarm or get out of the house, depending on what's showing on here. So great little product. We've been using them for a couple of years. And I think it's something that people forget about, but it's definitely something that you should just get whenever you move into a house or rent a house, and then just have them throughout the house. It's just a safety precaution that's just smart to have. So appreciate you watching. Thanks.